Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to mathematics. We are doing A-level CI's paper Pure Maths 1, paper code 9709, variant 12, October-November 2025. Question number 4. A curve is such that derivative dy by dx is equals to kx cube plus 2 over x square at the point S. The gradient of the curve is 65 over 2. Find k. So if the derivative is given to be, first write down the equation of the derivative is kx cube plus 2 over x square. So if we substitute the gradient, that is 65 over 2, with x equals to 2, it will give you 2 cube plus 2 over 2 square. So that will give you 8k plus 1 over 2. Now solving this for k will give you 64 over 2. And that will give you k to be equals to 4. Okay, this is how we found the value of k. Now they say the curve passes through a point t, 1 comma t, find t. So for this we need the equation of the curve as the curve passes through this point. So we have derivative. When we will be integrating it, we will get the curve equation. So integrating this will give you y is equals to this will give you kx to the power 4 over 4 plus 2 x to the power minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 over minus 1 plus the constant of integration. So we simplify this, we'll get minus 2 over x plus c. This is your equation. Now we have two things, that we have one point that lies on this curve S2 20, we can use that to find c. So 20 equals k times 2 to the power 4 over 4 minus 2 over x is 2 plus c. So solving this will give you, okay, k we already have found to be 4, so we can substitute that. So this will become 20 minus 2 to the power 4 plus 1 equals c. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 21 minus 16 is c. So the constant of integration is actually 5. So your equation will become kx4 over 4 minus 2 over x plus 5. Now they say the curve passes through point t, 1 comma t. So let's substitute these to find out t. t equals to k times 1 to the power 4 over 4 minus 2 over 1 plus 5. Sorry, I'm again not substituting k here, so that's making it k is 4, so your equation turns out to be x to the power 4 minus 2 over x plus c. T equals to the power 4 minus 2 over 1 plus 5. So that gives you 1 minus 2 plus 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. So t turns out to be 4. So this is all about question number 4. You were supposed to substitute, integrate, finding the constant of integration, and lastly finding the unknown coordinate by substituting the point in the equation of curve. So that's all about your question number 4. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.